Good morning, children. I wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. Today, we are going to learn the subject social studies. In social studies, we have completed already 8 lessons. Today, we are going to learn lesson 9. Today, we are going to learn lesson 9. What's the name of the lesson? Shall we see? Yes, lesson 9. Shall we read the spelling first? Shall we find the name of the lesson? P-E-O-P-L-E, people. W-H-O, who. H-E-L-P, help. U-S, as, people who help us. What's the name of the lesson? People who help us. Some people are standing there, no? Yes. You find the people? Yes. Doctor is there. Teacher is there. Yes. Many persons are there, no? Yes, today we are going to learn about them. Before moving on to the lesson, now we are going to do get set. Read this poem. Have fun. Now we are going to read this poem. Who is he? Can you guess him? Yes, he's a postman. He's a postman. What he is doing? He is delivering letters. He is delivering letters. Shall we read the poem? The Postman. What's the name of the poem? The Postman. Oh, hello, Mr. Postman. Oh, hello, Mr. Postman. Have you a letter for me? You have any letter for me? Who is asking? The girls. The small girl is asking. Yes, here's one from Grandma who lives beyond the sea. The postman is replying. He is having one letter from Grandma, and the letter is from beyond the sea. Beyond the sea means abroad, foreign countries. Okay. Now, look at the next one. Look, that's my friend Sheetal. That's my friend Sheetal. What's the name of the friend? Sheetal. Her house is right next door. The next door is Sheetal's house. She is waiting for a parcel from her cousin Vibar. From her cousin Vibar. Who is waiting for the parcel? Sheetal is waiting for the parcel. And then, and please, oh Mr. Postman, could you take me where you work? And the girl is pleasing the postman. Why can't you take me to the office where you are working? I would love to see all you do to send letters to New York. The girl wants to see how they send the letters to New York. She is asking. Shall we read the poem once again? The Postman. Oh, hello, Mr. Postman. Have you a letter for me? Yes, here's one from Grandma who lives beyond the sea. Look, that's my friend Sheetal. Her house is right next door. She is waiting for a parcel from her cousin Vibar. And please, oh Mr. Postman, could you take me where you work? I would love to see all you do to send letters to New York. In small cities, the postmen are only delivering letters, but in many big cities and towns, we can also have courier services. We can also have courier services. Not only the postman, courier persons also deliver letters and parcels. Now we pass on to the lesson. Look at here. many people help us. In our day-to-day life, many people are helping us. Rashi will tell us about some people. This girl Rashi is going to tell us about some people. Who are the people who are helping us in our day-to-day life? Write the missing letters. We have to write the missing letters. Now look at here. This is Mr. Salim Beg. What's his name? Mr. Salim Beg. He works in a school. He works in a school. He teaches children to read and write. He is a, can you guess who is he? Yes, your guess is right. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Shall we read once again? This is Mr. Salim Beg. He works in a school. He teaches children to read and write. He is a teacher. Who teaches children to read and write? Teacher. Shall we write the spelling for that? We have to write the missing letters, no? Shall we write it now? What's the spelling for teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Now you understand this, children? Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now look at the next one. This is Dr. Jilly Sen. Who is she? Dr. Jilly Sen. She works in a hospital. Where she is working? Hospital. She treats children when they fall sick. If you are not feeling well, where we go and meet? We go and meet doctor? No. Yes, you are right. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Shall you know the spelling for doctor? Shall we write it now? Yes. What's the spelling for doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Shall we read it once again? Yes. The doctor is examining this boy, no? Yes. Look at here. This is Dr. Jilly Sen. She works in a hospital. She treats children when they fall sick. She is a doctor. Who treats children when they fall sick? Doctor. Where doctors are working? They are working in hospital. Very good. Now you understand this? Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. Now we are going to see about this is Mr. Sam Jacob. What's his name? Sam Jacob. He works in a post office. Who works in a post office? Yes, you all are shouting. You all know the answer, no? Before moving on to the lesson, we did one poem, no? Yes, we read out one poem, no? Yes, in that poem we learn about him. Who is he? Postman. Very good. You all are right. He brings, what he brings for us? He brings letters from my grandmother. From our relations, he brings letters. He is a postman. He is a postman. Shall we write the missing letters? Yes. What's the spelling for postman? P-O-S-T-M-A-N. Postman. You all did it? Yes. Shall we read it once again? This is Mr. Sam Jacob. He works in a post office. He brings letters from my grandmother. He is a postman. Okay. Now you understand this? Where he is working, where postman is working? He is working in a post office. Very good. Who brings letters for us? Postman. Very good. Shall we pass on to the next one? Yes. This is Miss Baljit Kaur. Baljit Kaur. She works in a police station. Who works in a police station? Yes, you all are shouting. I know that. She keeps us safe. Who keeps us safe? She is a police officer. Yes, she is a police officer. Look, she is a police officer. What's her name? Baljit Kaur. Shall we write the spelling for police? What's the spelling for police? Yes, Police, police officer. Shall we read it once again? Who is standing near the police officer? Who is standing? Yes, he is a thief. Very good. This is Miss Baljit Kaur. She works in a police station. She keeps us safe. She is a police officer. You all understand this clearly, children? Who are the helpers we learn? We learn about teacher, doctor, postman and police officer. Not only these four, some other helpers are there. Shall we see them? Yes, some more helpers. Some more helpers. Look at here. This is Miss Sheila Kumari. This is Miss Sheila Kumari. She comes in the morning. She comes in the morning. She keeps our house clean. Who is she? She is a servant maid. Some are having servant maid at home, no? Yes, they keep our house clean, no? Yes, that's all. She is also our helper. Shall we read it once again? This is Miss Sheila Kumari. She comes in the morning. She keeps our house clean. Now you understand this? Yes. Now look at the next one. This is Mr. Jai Singh. This is Mr. Jai Singh. What's his name? Mr. Jai Singh. He is a milkman. He is a milkman. He brings milk for us. What he brings for us? Milkman. He brings milk for us. Very good. Now we learn about some more helpers, two helpers, and then now shall we have a recap what we learned in this class from first itself. Okay, we learned this poem, The Postman, and then the girl Rashi is explaining about some helpers with some missing letters. We learn about the teacher Mr. Salim Beg. We learn about the teacher Mr. Salim Beg, where he is working. He is working in a school. What he is doing? He teaches children to read and write. What's the spelling for teacher? Teacher, teacher. And the next one, this is Dr. Jilly Sen. Where she is working? She is working in a hospital. What she is doing? She treats children when they fall sick. What's the spelling for doctor? Doctor, doctor. And next we learnt about this Mr. Sam Jacob. Where he is working? He is working in a post office. And what he brings for us? He brings letters for us. What's his name? Who is he? What job he is doing? Postman. Very good. Who is he? Postman. What he brings for us? Letters for us. Now you understand? Yes. What's the spelling for postman? Postman. Postman. Next we learn about Miss Baljit Kaur. Where she is working? She is working in a police station. What she is doing? She protects us from other thieves. From the thieves, she is protecting us. and she keeps us safe from others. And shall we see the spelling for police officer? What's the spelling for police officer? Police, police, officer, officer, police officer. We learn about now what are the four persons. We learn about four persons now. Yes, who are they? Teacher, doctor, postman and police officer. Next we learn about some more helpers. First one, this is Miss Sheila Kumari. She comes in the morning and she keeps our house clean. Who is she? She is a servant maid. Very good. What she is doing? She keeps our house clean. Next we learn about Mr. Jai Singh. He is a milkman. What does he bring for us? He brings us milk for us. Okay, some more helpers are there in this lesson. Till now we learn only two some more helpers, and the remaining helpers we will learn in the next class. Till now you all understand this lesson clearly. We will meet, and before meeting in the next class you have one homework. What you have to do? You have to read the lesson 9, page number 54 and 55 in your social studies book. You should read the lesson. Then only you can get a clear picture of the lesson. Okay children, we will meet in the next session. Thank you children. Thank you all.